What's up guys, my name's James. I'm a sophomore here at Monmouth and this is my room in Graham Hall. So this is like my favorite spot right here. My mini fridges, because you can never have like too much storage. I got a microwave, and then I got my TV set up on my desk because my bed's right here, so I can just like chill in my bed and watch TV. Got like the person of the room chair. It's basically where I sit and do everything. And then I got my extra bed in case any of my friends want to stay over here and whatnot. And then of course my golf clubs because I like to golf and there's a course right here.